Hello everyone. In this video, let us check how we can use link manager feature in Friender. Okay. So once you are at the dashboard, click on the CRM menu. After that, by default, it will take you to the link manager listing page. Okay. So at the beginning, you will find this is a blank page, but if you add any link, then you will see the list of items. How you can add a link? You can click on this particular button and it will give you a particular field to add a name for your link and what will be your destination URL. Okay. Once you are saving it, it will come under over here in the list. And now what else you can do with this list is you can edit the link again, or you can actually archive this link. Okay. So this link will be using in the messages. How we are going to use that, I'm going to show you shortly. Before that, there is a custom domain option that you can add your custom domain. However, this feature or this tracking script of your link and enable tracking links, like these three features are currently under development. So you won't be able to use them at this moment. However, in future, you'll be able to use your own domain as a custom domain, and you'll be able to actually rewrite your destination link with whatever custom domain you will be adding. Tracking script you'll be able to add into your funnels or website wherever you want that your destination link will take the users to, and you can actually put a tracking script over there, and that will actually start tracking that how many users have landed on that particular page by clicking on this link and all. And enable tracking links is the same for it. Like, if you want to enable it, then all these links will be tracked. If not, then it won't be. But these three features are not live yet. Now, as I have added this one link, what I can do next is I can go to the message groups or segment, and in the segment, basically, I can create a segment where I can add the custom link that I just have added by giving the double third bracket. So which means if I come over here and if I give double third bracket, you will see that all the links that you have created, that will be listed over here, and you can easily click and select that in your message like I have added it. Okay. So similar thing you will be able to do in the groups. So in the groups, while you are creating the message at that point of time, basically, like, if you put double third bracket, you will see that the link is coming from the link manager. So in this way, what will be happening is basically that whenever you are creating a message flow and then you don't want to send the same link, like you don't want to remember the where exactly the link was, or if you have multiple destination that you are sending users to, that point of time you can keep all the links at one place, and then you can actually means point them to a specific message, and those messages now you can use in your campaign. And that point of time, when the message will go, it will actually replace, when the message will go, it will replace wherever you have given this particular link, march field. So at that point of time, it will replace this with the actual link in your message. Okay. And then it will be sent out to the people that you are sending the messages to. So this is how you can use your link manager. um, Check this feature out, and if you have any question or issues, please do let me know. Thank you.